Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Robin. Today, I actually have very interesting product. This is a spring collection for Nars, Euphoria face palette, and I'm going to review this product today. The packaging has a beautiful peachy colored Nars and the product description at the back. The full name is Euphoria face palette. This product is at $90 in Singapore. It's made in Canada. Quite fair enough. So I've created this eye makeup look by using this Euphoria face palette, and let's see how I like this product. Okay, let's open the product. Let's see what's inside. It has a primary container and a secondary container, which I find the secondary container is so prestigious. It makes this product is very special and very luxurious. And once you open the secondary box, then there is a Nars Euphoria palette. It has 8 eyeshadows and 3 highlighting powders, which is cool. And let's open the product. This is a full reveal. Okay, it has this plastic sheet, which I don't really need it. Okay, so this is a full colors. This is eight different shades of eyeshadows and 3 different shades of highlighting powder. These are actually beautiful and very wearable. 3 highlighting powder approach is pretty smart and impressive because you can just literally run this brush over these 3 highlighting shades and that's totally fine. And the combination of eyeshadows are very pretty. It has one matte here and these 2 other matte shade. These are pretty cute actually. This eyeshadow can be worn daily and these 2 as well. This color can be an eyebrow powder. The rest are all sparkling and shimmering. Let me swatch them. Let me swatch. It's really pigmented. This is a matte eyeshadow shade in Eye to Eye. It adheres pretty well. I think it blends pretty well too. Look at this, it's really blending. It blends really well. The next shade is Padra. Can you see? It's a sparkly shade. It's beautiful. It's cute. And it's very luxuriously sparkling. It's not like a chunk of sparkles and glitters. It's actually very fine shimmers. It looks very luxurious and I like the formula. And next color, Dream State. It's a cute sheer pink. I think I can build more color, buildable. And then next, peachy shade and matte shade. I'm gonna try them both together. Very pigmented, super pigmented. Look at those colors, they are so cool. And this chocolate shade, you can wear this chocolate shade every day on your eyebrow or as a smoky color or as a intensifying color. And next, 3 different shades. Look at these, they are so pretty. And this is a bit bronzy, a bit bronze and red and gold and bronze sparkle is going around. It's a brown under base with a lot of sparkle. And this is red, almost vermilion color sparkle. Vermilion, but it's more of a satin finish. And the rest of 3 highlighting shades. This seems to be, champagne and gold and pink. Since it has a gold and champagne color highlighting powder, even the darker skin person could wear this eyeshadow palette. This gold and champagne color is really flattering and universal to almost every skin tone. It looks gorgeous on fair skin, but it looks more gorgeous on darker skin. So let me try this eyeshadow palette on my eyes and my cheeks and let's see how it turns out. So I have not prepped my eye yet, Bourjois Air Matte. And if you use this kind of sticky wet base, your eyeshadow will adhere for a very long time, enhance longevity, extended makeup wear. Because eyeshadows are dry and if you apply on a dry skin, it won't just adhere, it will just fly around. And eventually it'll fall off from your eyelid. And then I will set it with just a lightweight powder, loose powder. I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier translucent finishing powder over my eyelid just to lightly set. But even if you're setting your concealer, once you apply your eyeshadows or eyeliner, you can still blend because as it moves on the surface of your skin, because if I don't set it, your eyeshadow can be look patchy. Once the eyeshadow is patchy, it's really hard to blend. And then in this color, it's very light peachy shade, and I'm so excited to try this eyeshadow out. It has really light peachy shade. I think it's the perfect color as an eyeshadow base. Do you see my eyelid here is more peachier than the other side? If you're not a heavy makeup user, then I don't really think that you would purchase this eyeshadow palette. But if you happen to purchase this eyeshadow palette for some reason, I'm pretty sure you're gonna use this eyeshadow color almost every day because this is so wearable and it's really cute. It has that pretty peachy tonal. I'm gonna just go straight to this red color here. I think this is called Slow Burn. Oh, my eyelid. Start from center. The eyeshadow blends really easily and it adheres really easily. So it's really effortless. But you know, some eyeshadow they're just not so effortless. They're really hard to blend, or it may require more time to blend. But this eyeshadow so far is really easy to blend and adheres pretty well. And so far, no fallout. This is somehow a very interesting color because this kind of red or vermilion burgundy colors, not many people are there to wear, but I like this audacious color, so I'm just trying it and soften out those edges. So I got this red eyeshadow on, but once I open up my eye, you can barely see it. So you can always maximize the area where you can apply an eyeshadow. Just set up an area where you want to add color and intensity while you're looking straight, so you can really see like how far I should blend and where I should stop. Because if you just keep looking down and blending your eyeshadow, you will never know. So make sure you're looking straight and relax your face. And next color I'm going to use is Dark Sky. It's like kind of a Coconut Grove, which is a Nars classic eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna apply this from outer corner of my eye. Wow, that's very pigmented. And I can see a little fallout. Maybe it's just not deposited well in my brush, but I can clearly tell. I didn't even dip my brush second time to the pen, but I can apply on both eyes. It's super pigmented. And I'm using a detailed blending brush to blend and soften those edges. Even, you know the matte eyeshadow, they are really hard to blend sometimes, but this matte eyeshadow is really easy to blend and they blend just so seamlessly. To be honest, that there's a matter of fact, there's a fallout just right here, but if you deposit your eyeshadow well into your eyeshadow brush, it shouldn't be a problem. And I can really add intensity now. I can build and layer it by adding more colors. And this look might not be a everyday look. It's doable. You can at least try once in your lifetime. And anyway, this is a clean brush, so I'm just gonna lightly blend up my entire eyeshadow. I'm kind of scared because it's been a very while for me since I did makeup on an actual person's face, but mine. Okay, let me repeat the same on my lower eye. I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadow colors just like I did on my upper eyelid, but the darker color goes here and the red color goes on the center of my eye. So it's kind of creating the halo effect. And the inner corner will be the lightest and the outer corner will be the darkest. Let me start by using a flat brush and start from outer corner of my eye. Wow, that's really pigmented. So I really like this the chocolate brown color is called Dark Sky. Look how it really adds intensity to my eye. Just so lovely. And I'm gonna add a highlighting shade later, and let's see how it transforms. You can really shape it. And I'm just gonna slightly blend. Okay, and then I'm gonna repeat applying Slow Burn. Look at this. This is so pretty. This is really pretty. I like it. And lastly, I'm gonna apply a highlighting shade on the inner corner of my eye. And let's try Pydra. Pydra is this color, just right here. This guy. Literally scrape off a little from the pen. Start from inner corner of my eye. Wow. This is nice. This is nice. This is pretty. Okay, to be honest, I don't think this eyeshadow is suitable to apply over the eyebrow bone because it's very sparkly and glittery. But it's a perfect shade to go on the inner corner of the eye. I actually really surprised when I first swatched on my hand. I thought it might not be so highly pigmented, but look at this, it's really pigmented. This is really pretty color, don't you think? You know what, I actually wanna add a little bit more of this red color because the color is so pretty. This is so forgiving. And let me just use crayon kohl. Yeah, I'm gonna move on to the rest of the makeup. And how do you think this is a final look? I hope this video was very informative. I really like this look, especially the eyeshadow is very unexpectedly beautiful. Let me have a look again. Yeah, this eyeshadow is really beautiful, and especially when I pair up with a red lip, it kind of looks harmonious. I minimized the amount of cheek blush by using a bronzing color, and this just frames my face pretty well. And look at this result. You just see the result. So this is a review of this Nars Euphoria face palette, and share your thoughts about this eye makeup look and this eyeshadow palette. So I'll see you again with a new tutorial.